Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Divisha Agrawal and welcome to another episode of Unfiltered Sundays with Divisha, obviously. So Unfiltered Sundays is a new series on my channel where we talk about all things real and raw, like all the feelings, opinions, thoughts on certain topics that are important without any judgment because we're just two friends talking about something that matters. And today's topic is adult friendships. Now, if you are an adult, you would relate to this video like on so many levels because I have a lot of things and opinions and thoughts about adult friendships, and I'm sure you would relate to each and everything that I have to say. And if you're a teenager, then this is what you're getting into in your adulthood, so you can watch this video and like be prepared for what you are getting into. The format of these videos remain the same. Basically, I'm getting ready for a shoot, and while I do my makeup and get ready, I will talk to you about all of the things that are in my head. And I've written actually some pointers, like I was just doing like a thought dump. So मेरे पास laptop पे है वो सब कुछ, लेकिन still like it'll be from my heart to yours. So let's start with prepping the skin. I'm using a sunscreen because I already have a moisturizer on, and sunscreen is really important, guys. Now, if you have been following me for a while, you know that I grew up in Rajasthan and I did my schooling from there. Then I moved to Pune for college, and now I'm in Mumbai for work. So my friends are scattered among these three places. That's the reason I came up with this topic because, you know, last month, like I was planning to meet my friends from Pune. Like I was planning to visit them in Pune in the month of Feb, but everything was finalized. Everything was on place. Everyone was free and सब कुछ सही जा रहा था. But then for some reason, it got cancelled, the plan, and I was so bummed that shit, now I have to wait another month to just meet my friends, which is honestly the worst part about adulthood. Since I moved to Mumbai, this has been the constant case because I'm in long distance with all of my best friends. All I want to do is be around them, just talk to them in person, not on phone calls or video calls. I'm not able to do that because everyone's busy in their lives. Even I am busy with my life, my work, and they are also busy with their lives and their work. But on some days, it's just not it. I have three best friends, two from school and one from college, and if you follow me everywhere, you know who they are. It's Anil, Shivangi and Diksha. Like two of them live in Pune and one of them lives in Hyderabad, which is far, far away. You know, like meeting them is more about the presence than anything else because sometimes I don't even want to talk. It's just okay if they're just sitting across the hall and we are doing like our respective work or anything. वो भी possible नहीं हो पाता है. Like adult friendships are difficult, honestly. You remember in school and college, like you have a lot of time and you are hanging out with your best friends like every single day. Then you are going to tuitions, you are sitting with them in the classroom and you're just hanging out with them all the time. It's very difficult to let that go and accept this new equation of friendship wherein you are not able to give each other that kind of time, but the bonds are stronger than ever. The best part about adult friendships is that there's no complaints, no demands, no judgments. You can just be vulnerable in front of them, and even if you don't talk for like 7 days straight, on the 8th day when you are talking to them, सब कुछ सेम रहता है. Like nothing really changes with time. ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि बहुत effortless होती है. Efforts दोनों साइड से आने चाहिए over like a really long time. तब जाके वो friendships टिकती है, I would say. लेकिन हाँ, काफ़ी easy going हो जाती है with time when you get to know the other person and when you know कि सामने वाले को कब space चाहिए, कब ज़रूरत है and stuff like that. A biggest pro in adult friendships is that it's more secure. Like when you are in school, college, you are a little insecure about your friend circle and you are afraid कि यार कोई और इनको लेके चला जाएगा or something of that sort. Like I know it sounds stupid, but I know most of us end up feeling that way at one point or the other. When you grow up and when you are in this phase of adulthood, you feel so secure. You know that this is your pack and this is not going to go anywhere. I'm not saying that you take them for granted or something, but it's just you know that they feel comfortable around you and you feel comfortable around them. There's not going to be a third person who's going to just come and take that away from you because जिसको रहना होता है आपकी ज़िंदगी में, they will find a way, like no matter what. I feel when you're young, you kind of chase those friendships and those bonds and relationships. But when you grow up, you attract the right kind of friendships and relationships in your life because you feel more secure as a person and you have a personality of your own. So you attract similar people, like similar mindset people. I feel like the innocent friendships of childhood, they are just, you know, so pure. जब आपको किसी से कोई मतलब नहीं है, you're not friends for a selfish reason, they are just the purest form of friendships. The most beautiful thing about adult friendships is that you can be extremely like vulnerable in front of them. You can cry, you can complain about bad things happening in your life, because obviously life is not perfect. कुछ ना कुछ होते ही रहता है. उनकी लाइफ में भी होता होगा, आपकी लाइफ में भी होता है, मेरी लाइफ में भी होता है. Like nothing is perfect out there. उस moment में all you need is a good friend, a good listener who listens to your problem, and even if उनके पास कुछ solution नहीं है, they can't solve your problem, but you always have somebody to just pour your heart out, and they are not going to judge you for that. I'll tell you how low maintenance adult friendships can be. Like, on birthdays and special occasions, people usually put stories on Instagram or social media basically, but आप एक पॉइंट पे रीच करते हो wherein all of these things don't really matter. If a person wants to put up a story, great. Even if they don't, you know that that person is the happiest for you. You don't have to really show it to other people or seek validation from the world कि oh नहीं ये मेरा best friend है, they are happy with my achievements or whatever. Of course, it's nice and lovely that you are showing and expressing your love in a certain way. Nothing against that, but I'm just saying it's an example. Validation seek करने की need खत्म हो जाती है after one point. I'm 26 years old and I've met like a lot of people in Mumbai for work reasons and stuff like that, but उनमें से बहुत कम like people I can count on my fingers उतने ही लोग हैं जिनके साथ में actual connect feel होता है. You get very picky with people you surround yourself with. बचपन में क्या सब लोग चलो like you have big groups and like so many people around you all the time, but as you grow up you become like really picky with your friendships because you want कि वो जो low maintenance angle है वो reciprocate हो firstly, then secondly your mindset should match with the other person, then third you should have same goals or you should just understand each other's goals, and then only you realize in the real sense that quality over quantity any day. I'm that kind of a person who can't say no for anything and everything because मुझे लगता है कि यार सामने वाले को बुरा लग जाएगा. लेकिन like with time even I'm getting better at saying no and prioritizing things that matter to me. But the best part is that my friends, all of these close friends, they understand whenever I'm saying no कि नहीं यार नहीं हो पाएगा, I have this other commitment, or I'm just busy on the weekend, तो नहीं मिल पाएंगे, let's reschedule. So there's this mutual understanding which is so comforting, so simple, and something that gives you peace. You're not in rush, you're not in hurry, you're not there to impress. To sum up, adult friendships एक ऐसा phase है wherein you have money but you don't have much time to spend with your friends or spend on anything for that matter. You can just shop online and be happy. So I would say that just carpe diem, live in the present. जब तुम्हारे पास time है, पैसे उतने ज़्यादा नहीं भी है तो भी चलेगा, because you don't need a lot of money to kind of take a trip, because आप हमेशा budget travel कर सकते हो, or just spend time with your friends, like quality time, play games, go out, have that coffee, have those experiences, because ये time नहीं आने वाला वापस. If you are in that age where you are in college or something, and if you're an adult, then definitely do make more time for your friends, because they are real gems. I'm grateful for mine and I'm sure that you are grateful for yours. Yeah, that is the whole point of this video. I'm also done with my look and I think it looks pretty nice. I've used pretty much the regular products, just a new addition which is this lipstick by Kiro. It's really nice. The shade is Rose Petal, and I'll try to link all the products in the description box. I really hope that you guys enjoyed listening to me talk about a topic that is very important as an adult and you could relate to the things that I had to say. If you did, do like this video, share it with your friends, because why not? Subscribe to my channel, comment below and let me know if you could relate or it just, made sense to you. I would love to read your comments. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.